All right, this is the ATEngeus 6,000 milliamp cordless rechargeable air duster. Great for the environment. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And my opinion is this thing works fantastic. This is my second one of these that I've had. I have the green version from before, and I love this thing. I keep this thing sitting next to my desk so I can blow out my keyboard when I get potato chips in it, which happens quite a bit. And blowing off my desk too. I like that. So just to show you what you get with this, you get a really super nice braided Type-C cable, 3 foot long. Comes in a really nice looking packaging, perfect for giving to someone. Here's the unit itself. Get a little cleaning kit here with it, with 3 different brushes. You get 3 different inflator type tubes, because this thing, you can use this thing to inflate, you know, all kinds of stuff, rafts, whatever. You get 2 different attachments with it. The straight attachment, which is dirty because I've been using this thing. And you get the brush attachment, which is fantastic for blowing out a keyboard. When you're not using one of the attachments, you can store the second one right here like this, and it sits upright, which is pretty cool. One of the things I like about this, again, it's rechargeable, and on a full charge, this thing will run 18 to 30 minutes at full blast. Obviously, the time's going to vary on the speed. And the second cool thing about this is the speed is regulated right here by a spinning wheel. There's no like press the button again, press it again, press it again. It's, you just press this once, and you control the speed via this wheel. So if you wanted to, you know, blow out a computer, perfect for that. Good to get down there. As you can see, it's a powerful little cordless air duster. Doesn't weigh a whole lot. Feels good in your hand. It's ergonomic. Gets the job done. And when you're done with everything, you can store it away in this bag that they've provided for you. But there it is, the ATEngeus cordless rechargeable air duster. This thing works awesome. I love it.